So finally, after a very long wait and anticipation, WhatsApp has given us the official dark mode for all Android devices. This is no third-party APK, this is not a theme or whatever. Just go into the Play Store, update your WhatsApp to the latest update, and let's show you how to activate this dark mode. Welcome back. So if you all you need to do right now is to go to the Play Store and then check your WhatsApp whether it's updated. This is March 2 2020 update. I'm going to show you the version, the particular version where the dark mode started officially, so you also check it in your app, and I'll also show you how to check it in your app. So make sure you're updated to that. I just updated, and then you open your WhatsApp. Normally it will be the normal white background and all the stuff. So go to setting, go to chats, and then you will now see additional theme setting. If you don't see the theme, then that means you're not in the latest. So this is a dark mode. So now the problem I have with WhatsApp dark mode is that it's not so dark. It's a bit gray, dark gray. So, but it gives you that dark, experience. It's a little bit dark gray. So that's the way it is for now. It's also happened with Twitter. So, but after a whole long while, Twitter improved their dark mode. So this is a good first step. So you have to check the version. The version is 2.20.64. So that's the version you have to be up to. So make sure then how to check the version in your own phone. So you go to your phone, you go to help, frequently asked questions and help, then you go to app info, and you're going to see that version 2.20.64. So that is where you'll be up to enjoy the WhatsApp dark mode. But generally, I'm not so impressed with WhatsApp dark mode. So I'm going to switch back to my own system overall dark mode because I really don't enjoy it. It's not pure black. It's not dark enough for me. So for some of us who are using phones that might have that, I'm using Realme X2, so it has official dark mode. So I've turned it on right now, and I'm going to go back to WhatsApp right now to show you. We're going to compare. So this is my system owned general dark mode, and it's a little bit dark. If I put on WhatsApp, just compare right now, you see it now, this is gray, a bit dark gray or light green gray. If I turn it off when I'm in system to dark mode, the only problem I still have that green heading on the head, which still looks fine. But it gives me the real dark mode when I'm using that. So but there's also something else you can do to enjoy your dark mode more. Some of us don't know about background. If you open up a chat, the background behind it, I'm using a pure black background. As you can notice, it's pure black. It might not be like that in your own phone, but I'm going to show you how you're also going to achieve that if you really want to go full dark mode. Okay, so you go to your setting again to chat back up, you see wallpaper. So first of all, I'm going to remove the dark wallpaper. I'm going to reset it so you can see that it's no longer that pure black. So if I go back to chats right now, you can see it's gray, kind of gray right now. You can see the blacks at the side, at the edge of the screen. So then I'm going to go to a browser, just search for pure black image or pure dark image, and then I'm going to download that. So when I download that, I'm going to go back to my WhatsApp and then add a new fresh wallpaper. So back to WhatsApp, go back to setting, chats, and go to the wallpaper again. I'm going to go to gallery, and then I'm going to go to all photos, and I'm going to kind of select the dark mode. So once I select that, now when I go back to my chats, you're going to see that full black experience right now. So you can see it's like full black experience, and it's really pleasing to the eye. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, and we'll keep you updated with the latest updates. And that will be it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Subscribe. I'll see you. Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies higher and higher.